All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So antiseptic. Anti means against, septic, to clean. Let's try and get a picture. To clean. Yeah, here we are. Perfect. Yes, exactly. There we are. So a chemical used for cleaning and killing bacteria. So let's get chemical. Oh, perfect. Yeah, chemical. Look at that. Perfect. Chemical for cleaning and killing bacteria. Yes, there we are. There we are. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, bacteria. Bacteria, yeah. So, I used an antiseptic here. Yeah. We need to use antiseptic before we can start. Yes. The antiseptic cleaner, antiseptic soap is very important. Very important, yeah. I'll call this that. All they need is more antiseptic. Do you know how much antiseptic we need? Yeah. How much antiseptic do we need? A little bit or a lot? It depends on how dirty it is. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. He uses a lot of antiseptic. She likes using antiseptic on the surfaces. How cool is that? Yeah. They should have used antiseptic here. Why didn't they use antiseptic? What? Why didn't they use antiseptic? It is still dirty. It's still dirty. I'm buying more antiseptic supply. We need more antiseptic cleaners. Yes. We need more antiseptic cleaners. How cool is that? Yeah. There should be more antiseptic here soon. So there should be more antiseptic soon because, or there should be more antiseptic because the room needs to be sterile. Yeah, without any bacteria. Without any bacteria, sterile. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, antiseptic. Now, can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram. And you can find me by looking for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.